Hi everybody, my name's Steve Manning from the TP Bag Company. This is the TP bag in its cover. We're about to show you a video with May and myself putting a catheter bag into the TP bag cover. Please click on the link. We'd love you to become a member of our page so that we can give you discounts and other goodies, but also without trying to cause confusion, I'm also known as the Fat Middle-Aged Man with MS, and on that page you can join the Fat Middle-Aged Man with MS group, and you can get a lot of information regarding dealing with difficult issues in life, MS being one of them, but there are many other conditions that one could have a little bit of encouragement, and you may be able to even offer some fantastic advice. Anyway, here we are with the video on how to fit a 2000 milliliter catheter bag and the explanation of how the TP bag came about. Hi there, I am Steve and this is May from the TP bag catheter bag company. We would like to introduce you to the TP catheter bag cover. Very simply, it is 100% cotton, the perfect size for a 2000 milliliter catheter bag. Before we show you the catheter bag, I'd like to show you the back and the hook and loop fixings that we have. Basically, if you look here, there's plenty of material for you to get your hands on, so you can pull up the top cover. That's where you'll install the catheter bag. So we'll get May now to put a 2000 milliliter catheter bag. I think you can see that 2000 milliliter catheter bag into the catheter bag cover. We've made it to the size that it fits perfectly a 2000 milliliter catheter bag because we want the bag not to be too big. Of course you can choose larger size catheter bags, but there you'll see that May has put that into the bag and it fits perfectly. And now what you can do with the pipe, you can separate the pipe cover from the bag, and you can either, with the pipe, you can either thread it straight through the pipe cover, but you can also separate the pipe cover because it has the hook and loop system. So May's going to open up the pipe system all the way down the pipe. Now this means that you can actually attach the catheter bag cover and pipe to your bag while it's still attached to your body, which means you don't have to be worried about getting infections or anything else. So now May's going to put the pipe cover around the catheter bag pipe, like so. There you go, just so that everybody can see. Now it's made of 100% cotton, so it's washable. I tend to use two myself. I designed it because I found that when I did want to have a catheter bag cover, I believe I ordered three, and they really did not work for me at all. The material was far too light. The fixings weren't very helpful, especially if you're using anything that you had to tie up. It just didn't work very well for me at all. So I designed this bag so that we could actually, everything would be on a hook and loop system. So even though I've got no use of one of my arms, I can still lean against it and I can actually undo the catheter bag cover to empty the fluid. So at the bottom, so May has now put the catheter bag pipe around like so, and when you want to empty your catheter bag, simply at the bottom here you can see there's material enough to grab hold of, and you open it up, and you just take out the outlet pipe and empty it. Now the important thing here is that when you do put this outlet pipe away, you fold it up back into the bag, and you do that for two reasons. One, we obviously want to disguise that it's a catheter bag. Secondly, when a bag gets full of fluid, it puts an awful lot of pressure on that outlet pipe, and they're liable to leak. By folding it up, you're going to reduce that pressure greatly. So here we have a heavy duty, smart, 100% cotton catheter bag cover, which I hope serves you very well. So thank you very much for watching, and it's goodbye from me, Steve, and it's goodbye from me.
Bye.